Good morning, everybody. How we doing today? Another lovely day here on the Outer Banks. We're gonna do another restaurant video today. It is Memorial Weekend, and I'm pulling in the Blue Water Grill as we speak. Should be in for a lot of fun and entertainment this morning. I'm actually happy with my chef today. He pulled some strings. Normally, Sundays are a tough day at Blue Water because we're usually understaffed, which is why I would usually work the 13-hour shift, and it's been like that for about 2 years now. But he pulled some strings and was able to get some folks to work today, so we should be fully staffed. We've been really busy Friday, Saturday. Today is Sunday. Let's go do this thing. Hope everybody's having a great day so far. Let's go inside. All right, everybody, it's about the only sunshine I'm gonna get for today. I'll be in this place till probably about 11 o'clock tonight. It's 10 o'clock in the wintertime, but here in the summertime, we get on that long wait list. And then they're still seating people well past closing time. If you were on the list, they're still gonna give you a table even when we close. So a lot of times the kitchen has to stay back an extra hour. Beautiful day, we might get lucky for lunch, although we're pretty famous for getting that after church crowd. Got some cats, didn't mean to scare you. A couple oyster shells on the ground. Looks like they got some sweeping to do this morning. Here we go, Stairway of Doom. I'm just kidding. All right, guys, I'll check back in with you here in a little bit. I get the chef on camera. Wish me luck. Good morning, good morning. How we doing? Good morning. Good morning, morning. Morning.
Morning.
Look at all this staff.
Yeah.
About to open for business, guys. We're like 5 minutes away from open time. Gonna be a good day here at the Blue Water. Got my little blender breakfast going here. Little protein smoothie to start the day.
I'm here for the rest of it.
This is the pre-show warm-up, everybody. Ready for Memorial Weekend crowd?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Let's go, ladies. It's gonna be a good day. And dude.
Yeah.
And surfer dude. Again.
Happy Memorial Weekend!
What are we talking about? Allison. Water, please. Water, please. Allie B. Yeah, table 3. Everybody's Chef Tim right here. Say hey.
Hey guys, how you doing?
He is the king here at Blue Water. Tells us what to do, cuts all the fish off and stuff. What you got there?
Fresh yellowfin tuna.
Nice.
I just caught this morning on one of the charter boats.
And this was brought in by a customer.
Got fresh yellowfin tuna, fresh mahi, fresh snapper, and fresh triggerfish.
Looking good, looking good. So basically here at Blue Water, the customers have the option that they can bring their fish up here and we'll cook it up for them. It's gonna be for with a Grand Slam.
Okay, that's you right there, yeah.
I'm gonna slide that onto an entree plate.
Oh, you didn't want it on the little plate? All right,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Boy, I thought people have like a half steer. Before you say, look, I'm getting the camera. Let's see. 32. That's alright. Come on with it. Let's go, baby. Make my buck stop.
Let's say that. Wait, 30.
Make my day go by.
Two, please. Two.
I did put one there for you.
All right, let's see. Follow the day.
It'll be a while.
Hey, you got a rib.
Got a medium salmon right here.
Kim, she said that they are out of sushi small back there.
We're actually kind of ahead right now. Not ahead, but we're caught up. We're only down to
I could have stayed with it.
Here's that medium rib TV.
What's that boy? We're in the wood shit storm. Well done, Sam. Coming in. Coming in. He's doing the last of the side work. How'd your night go?
Sir. Pretty busy, pretty busy.
Yeah,
Finally glad to be over, glad to be going
that's
home.
right. We had us a smoker, didn't we?
Oh, yeah.
You tired?
Yeah.
I feel like I didn't see you all night long.
No, not really.
What were you doing, bro?
I was inside the barbecue smoker. I
Oh,
was
that's
getting
right. You
smoked.
getting smoked. That's Wally, everybody.
Yo. Once a month.
Yeah.
What up?
How was your night, man?
Bro, I got my ass kicked.
Yeah. See if we can find Chef. Ask him how the night went.
Stir fry with that and coconut rice. It's kind of easy sauce tomorrow.
Fellas, I knew I'd find you in here. How was the night, man?
Tonight was a tough one.
It was a tough one?
It was a crusher.
Memorial Weekend's
Memorial
always a
Day
smoker.
weekend, yeah, it's one of our biggest ones of the year.
That's
First
right.
experience for me.
First one for you? Oh, yeah, this is your first summer at Blue Water, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's the first time I've been online serving volume like that
That's
in
our
10 years.
That's our busiest night together so far.
Shwee-wee.
Won't
All
be
right,
the- Won't be
guys.
the last.
Checking out. You heard it here first. Walk-in duties. I'm going to end it right here on this one. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Catch you on the next one.